Hello guys, welcome back to Inside 3D. Today I'm gonna make a very quick tutorial and we will see how to apply material to a mesh. So basically this is a prototype for a game that I am making, and yeah, I'm gonna carry on building the stadium, and basically it means this part, so the metal structure of the stadium, and how you can see is without material, and now I will show you how to apply a normal material in Unreal Engine 5. So basically this is the mesh, and now we will apply the material. Let me find. Okay, here we got the texture. Let's import it. All right. So here we got the normal map, the color material, and here we got the mask one. So first of all, which is roughness, metallic, and ambient occlusion. So first of all, here on compression setting, we need to change this one into a mask and save it. Now let's create a material. Let's call it with the name of the mesh. Metal structure. All right. So let's go into the material and let's import the three maps. All right. So here we got the base color with base color, and the normal map with the normal map. Now here in this one we got basically are three map in one. So the red, the green, and the blue. Each of those color got a map inside. So the first one, the red, basically the first one gonna be the occlusion, how you can read on the name, the occlusion. The second one gonna be the roughness, and the third one gonna be the metallic one. So ambient occlusion, roughness, and metallic. Let's save, and here we are. No, we need to apply the material now. So let's go inside the mesh. Metal structure, and here we got all material. All right. All right. Nice. Let's see. Is anything here? No. I don't know. Here it is. There it is not. Let's find it again. Where it is. Okay. Let's delete it and put it again, maybe. No, is a problem with it. Okay, here it is. All right, compile and save. Maybe I put it in the wrong place before, I don't know. Anyway, it was working here, but you can anyway apply the material like this to your mesh, and it's working. So, yeah, it's working perfectly as well. Here it is, and yeah, let's see. That's yeah, and this is all. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and put like, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.